Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And, there is a new version of Google Chrome that was released today, December 2nd. And this, of course, also coincides with the weekly security fixes, and there's a lot of them. So, first of all, if you go into your Chrome browser, on the upper right corner in the three vertical dots, you will go down to Help and About Google Chrome, and you will be on version 143.0.7499 dot 41 or 40 if you're on Linux or Mac. And basically, this is a new version that has a few features. It has actually more integration of AI than ever. Gemini AI is now more and more integrated within the browser. There is also in this browser improvements to the read out loud features, the tab features of the browser itself, things like that also. So this is kind of interesting, and you have, of course, new AI generated content that will, oh, you want to continue with these tabs, you want to try something. Of course, AI mode for the Google search, like on other browsers now. And, what is probably the most important is that this fixes 13 security flaws. Of the 13 security flaws, 4 are high vulnerabilities, so the high severity. Type confusion in V8, once again, inappropriate implementation in the Google Updater. Another one is DevTools as a problem and the digital credentials as an issue. And of course, a few other fixes that are medium and low. So 13 in total. So this is important to fix, as this is what keeps you safe, the updates of the software. And that also means that if you're on Edge and on other browsers, you might be getting a new version. You also will be getting, of course, all of these fixes for your browser. So check it out and check out the updates during the week, as we are at version 143 now of Google Chrome web browser, which is the dominant browser right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.